In radiology, efficiency, safety, and transparency matter, especially when it comes to radiation dose. That's why there's iQ-DOSE 2.0, the next generation in dose management. With iQ-DOSE 2.0, you stay in control of your institution's dose data, visually, interactively, and with confidence. The software automatically collects and evaluates structured dose reports from imaging devices. And now, it does even more. If a body part wasn't mapped correctly, because your config didn't include the term, iQ-DOSE couldn't re-evaluate the DRL assignment after updating it. Now, with version 2.0, just right-click the updated dose record and select Re-evaluate. The system instantly rechecks the DRL category based on the new data, saving time and eliminating manual reassignment. The new scalable edit dose record window gives you more space, fewer clicks, and better visibility, especially useful on small monitors. Box plots, DRL comparison charts, and timeline scatter plots bring your dose statistics to life, making outliers and trends instantly visible. Need a report for QA, management, or authorities? Export any chart as a PDF or data table as CSV with one click. Handling thousands of dose entries? The new paginated study table keeps things fast, clean, and easy to navigate. Filter by device, study type, or time range. Find what you need instantly, without scrolling through endless lists. iQ-DOSE uses official national diagnostic reference levels, like those from Germany's BFS or the ACR in the US. Matching is automatic, based on protocol, body region, age, and weight. But if a study doesn't match a category, you can assign one manually or fully customize your own limits via configuration. iQ-DOSE 2.0 supports all key imaging modalities via structured dose reports and, where needed, directly from image metadata. Every dose record now shows the application entity title, making it easy to trace dose origins, identify trends, and pinpoint outliers by scanner. iQ-DOSE 2.0 is designed for radiologists, medical physicists, QA officers, and IT admins, anyone responsible for managing, reviewing, and optimizing dose data. iQ-DOSE 2.0, built for real workflows. Ready for the future of dose management.